The manufacturing process of the aluminum beverage can starts with the mining of the raw material bauxite. This material is then smelted to form alumina and then made into ingots. These ingots are rolled into aluminum sheets and after which are continuously fed into a cupping press. The cupping press cuts circles out of the sheets called blanks. These blanks are then immediately pressed by a cylindrical punch through a drawing die to make a cup. This process is called drawing. The cup is then redrawn to its final diameter. The redrawn cups are then pushed through ironing rings. During this process, the cup's diameter stays the same size while the walls become thinner and taller. This animation shows one of the steps of the ironing process in more detail. After the ironing process, the bottom of the can is domed using a convex doming tool and a matching concave indent punch. The doming tool leaves two deboss numbers on the surface of the domed cans. The first number signifies the production line in the factory, and the second is the body maker number. These numbers are important because if defects are discovered in the product, they can be traced back to the machine that made them. At this point in the manufacturing process, the top of the can is uneven due to work performed during the forming. Around 6 mm is trimmed off the top, leaving a clean and even surface in preparation for sealing. The cups are then sent through washers to remove all traces of lubricants and are then dried in an oven. After drying is completed, the cans are sent to a printing station to have their decorations applied, after which the insides of the cans are sprayed with a coating to stop the contents from reacting with the metal. Next, the top of the cans are given a neck, which involves an inner die being inserted into the can body while an outer die called the neck sleeve is pushed around the outside of the can. This process requires 11 stages performed continuously one after the other. These are each of the stages shown separately. The neck cans are then flanged to allow the ends to be secured to the can body. However, the ends are attached and the cans filled in a separate facility in most cases. Testing and inspections as well as recovery of recyclable materials are performed at each stage of the production. But after a final quality control check, the can bodies are delivered to a separate facility to be filled and joined to their end counterpart called the shell. These shells are stamped out of a coil of aluminum sheet and then a press attaches the tab to the shell. After the cans are filled, they are finally ready to be sealed. The can bodies and shells are joined together using a double seal. This double seal is created using two basic operations. The first operation involves curling the end of the shell around the can body. Then the second presses the folds of the metal together to form an airtight seal. Parts misaligned by a small margin cause the seal to fail, so these processes require high precision. Though, to ensure no gas escapes, a sealing compound is added during the clamping of the shell and the can body.